Alright, what up YouTube? It's your boy Hemi Meech and I'm back again with another video for y'all, man. I know I ain't anyways, I know I have not posted in over 20 days, but we got a fresh new unboxing for y'all, so we're gonna get right into the video and we're gonna show y'all some new things that recently came in. Yeah, go. Some new stuff that came in, and as y'all can see, this is the intercooler that we're gonna be going with. This motherfucker got some weight to it. Now, I would have thought that some mounting bolts came inside, but I guess not. Really didn't come inside. As y'all can see, we still got the Torqstorm sitting right there in the box still. We got all our piping kit, Amazon Universal Piping Kit. These are some couplers, whatever you want to call it. Fuel band, wideband, air fuel ratio bands right here. I already took them out of the box. And then we also have the what is this one? This is the boost gauge, I believe. This is the boost one. Boost. And then the only thing that we're pretty much waiting for, we do got a 3-bar. This is the 3-bar map sensor. This is the Mopar one. We got the coolant tank that we're gonna be running. We're just running this coolant tank basically. The coolant tank is in now. We're gonna be running that coolant tank. I don't know if I might upgrade in the future. I don't know, but if we don't have any problems out of that, we just gonna pretty much rock out with that one. And then also, y'all let me know in the comment section, after we are, you know, supercharged, boosted, whatever the case is, let me know if I should rock this, you know, this, I forgot what it's called, whatever. But yeah, so I've been pretty much prepping out how I wanted to do the kit. Oh yeah. This is just so, if y'all, my OGs know, I'm finally going to change out the washer reservoir too, since I'm going to have the whole bumper off, all that crap off. It should be easy to get to. I'm going to have all that stuff off. So I'm going to just go ahead and finally replace that, because if y'all know, all my OG subscribers, y'all know that mine is cracked. So that's why that light is always on. Literally the only light that's on my dash. And yeah, so let me take some of this stuff out. Bless you. Take some of this stuff out. We literally have a lot of packages just sitting off in here. Now let me know what y'all think about my gaming setup too on that. I got my girl. This is our guest room. This is only just the guest room, you feel me? I ain't gonna show y'all later. I can't show y'all too much, but yeah, this is just the guest room. It's probably pretty much all y'all really gonna see. Oh, yeah. Those 3-bar map sensors, as y'all all know. Torqstorm itself, bro. Torqstorm itself. Let me go ahead and move this box, slide this box over. This is what all the other goodies are. Basically, we got belts. Oh, that, what's the name? Just fucked me all up. But yeah, we got belts, pulleys, the super dampener, ATI, pulley down in the air filter that they sent out, another component, pulley, whatever. Yeah, pretty much the whole thing. And all of this in here is just piping stuff. So, gauge pods. Yeah, so pretty much the build is on its way. Look at this thing. Now, yeah, I'm surprised this really didn't come with any mounting hardware bolts, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Anyways, I will show y'all the car, but I don't feel like going outside and doing all that, bro. So here y'all go. this is just a little quick unboxing of everything that came in. I believe the only thing I'm just waiting for is the pods for this. I'm going with Hellcat. I'm running Hellcat injectors. And I have new spark plugs. And I believe that's pretty much it. Now I'm probably gonna start breaking stuff down and getting into the car. Probably sometime this weekend, I think. I don't know. This weather been iffy in Chicago, as y'all know. One day it's sunny, 70-something degrees. The next is snowing, 30-something degrees. So I don't really know. But I know, like, I'm gonna start building on the ATR super dampener. I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone, and I'm going to have to, they do rent out tools, so I'm gonna have to get a pulley, not a pulley. I'm gonna have to get the whatever. Anyways, I can't really think about it. There's just so much going on when you're looking at all this stuff. It might seem overwhelming at first, but I feel like this is a project we're gonna have to get done like this. I'm definitely gonna just tap this into the cigarette lighter. Once I tap it from the cigarette lighter, I'm going to tap the, what is this, boost gauge? The boost gauge, I'm gonna tap it into those. So y'all let me know in the comment section if I can do that. Like, I know a little something about, I actually know a lot about wiring now, and powering and all that stuff, 12 volt and stuff like that. So it's just different when it comes to a car, even though like I'm doing cameras and stuff like that at work all day. But yeah, I'm excited to, I think I'm really gonna put this on, man. This is gonna be exciting. But y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss this, man. And as y'all can see, this is how the build is looking, man. This is how it's looking. Super excited, man. Super excited. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for all this. And yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.